This is a 330 bidirectional plate compactor. The plate compactor is equipped with a diesel 190 electric start engine with camel batteries, and the machine has its own charging function. Don't worry about the battery losing power. The overall weight of this machine is 285 kg, 89 centimeters in length. The width of the widening plates on both sides of the belt is 65 centimeters. The compaction force is 38,000 cattle and 3.8 tons. The effective foundation compaction is excellent. The density is very good. The whole machine is made of high steel material. The base plate is 10 thick steel plates. The widening plate is fixed with reinforced high-strength screws. It's built to last. The machine can realize forward and backward two-way operation. The operation is simple. Push the sense of direction to control forward and backward. Next to them are the throttle switch and start switch. Precautions when the cold starts. You need to press the red decompression button first. Press the start key switch again to start. If the dust is large when compacting the ground, it requires frequent cleaning. Air filter element. The cleaning method is to open the clip at the air filter element, take out the filter element and clean it up. Apply a small amount of oil to the bottom of the filter element. It was added in advance when it left the factory.